So, if you're wondering how to exactly start using the SanDisk Memory Zone app here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first, how do you start using it? Well, you need to install the app first. So, to install the app, you need to access Google Play Store or, in this case, whichever place you're going to download the app from. So, in this case, you want to open up Google Play Store, search for SanDisk Memory Zone, and just click on Install. Now, once you have this installed, you can go and just click on Open. Now, if this is the first time you're opening the app, it may require you to set things up first. Like for example, it's going to welcome you into the app. Go and click on Next here until you receive the Get Started button. Just go and click Get Started. Now from here, you can go and enable notifications if you want, and you need to agree to the end user license agreement. Just go and click on Agree and Continue. It's going to say analytics opt-in. Just go and just click on Do Not Share, and from here it should give you your current storage. Now, the thing with this one is you have the options to do the following. Like, for example, if you want to connect a drive here, you can go and click on Connect Drive, and it will basically search for any drive that is connected to your device. Now, obviously, you need to connect a SanDisk USB in your phone here if you want to start using it. But if you do connect one, you just need to follow the on-screen steps, allow permission to access the memory here, and typically, you should be able to start managing your devices or your memory here. But if you go back into your phone here, you have the option to copy from your phone. So if you want to copy files from your phone to a SanDisk drive, you can go and just choose that one. Click on Allow Access, and basically just allow this one. Now, the steps are pretty much the same thing if you're going to allow permission for a drive that you gave before. If you want to like connect a drive in here, and if you want to back up your phone, you can go and choose back up my phone, or if you want to browse your phone, you can go and click on this one, and that should allow you to start browsing folders and files inside your actual phone. Now, if you want to transfer something, you can go and just click on the folder, click on the 3-dot option, click on copy, and you can go and just select one of the devices to transfer it to. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.